Over 150,000 people have joined this new network marketing opportunity. The question is, are you one of them? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, in this video, I want to talk about this new opportunity that people are joining like crazy. And that opportunity is Live Good. Now, if you haven't heard of Live Good yet, you're probably super new to the whole network marketing, affiliate marketing game, but that's all good because you're watching this video. So I'm about to put you on game right now. All right. So why are so many people joining Live Good? All right. There's tons of network marketing companies out there, but what makes Live Good so different is because they're coming into the game on this whole, like a what's the word I'm looking for? Not like a renegade, but like we're what the hell am I trying to say? They doing it different, right? They coming in, they changing the game, right? That's what they're coming in. That's the mindset that they got, right? They're coming in like, yo, we're doing network marketing completely different, right? And this is appealing to a lot of people because so far they actually are doing network marketing different, right? One of the things when people look into network marketing companies, one of the first things that they look at is like the cost to get in. The cost to get started with many network marketing opportunities are usually high. Like a lot of companies, for example, you have to pay like a starter fee, right? You got to get a starter kit or something like that. And that could be $200 to $500 just to get started with opportunity, right? With Live Good, it only costs you $50 to get started and $10, well, $9.95 a month to maintain your business. And that is it. All right. So essentially, you have your own online business and you are part of a network marketing company for only $10 a month. And that's it. All right. So that's how Live Good is changing that aspect of network marketing. But then another thing what most network marketing companies require you to do is like an auto ship, right? Where you have to buy a certain amount of products every month to stay eligible, to stay active in the company. You have to, buy some products, right? And in most cases, these products going to cost you anywhere from, $50 on up to hundreds of dollars that you need to be coming out of pocket, right, to maintain your status with that company. Now, where Live Good switched it up again, there is no product purchase requirement. Once you become a Live Good member, right, and you paying $9.95 a month, if you decide never to buy a product, that's on you, right? That's your choice. You are not required. You're not going to be getting no emails. You're not going to lose your position if you don't buy any products. And that right there is very appealing to a lot of people. And that's why a lot of people are leaving their current network marketing companies because they're like, I can't even afford, to be a member of this opportunity, but I could go over here and pay $10 a month and have pretty much unlimited earning potential. And I could afford that, right? And another reason why so many people are joining Live Good is the products. All right, because usually in network marketing opportunities, whatever the product is that's being sold or, marketed, they're usually expensive as hell, right? I mean, when it comes to like, any sort of protein powders or CBD oils or even vitamins, you're looking at anywhere from $50 to $100 per product. So once again, we're Live Good stepping in like, whoa, we changing that on up too, right? Our products are going to be up to, 75-80% off of what everybody else is charging, right? So where if you at a company, say for example, they got like a superfoods product, right? They call it Super Reds. Live Good's price as a member of Live Good, you can get Super Reds powder for $18, right? And that's comparable to like the big product, Organifi, which is real big on the market. That's like $70 for a month supply. or they got a product called Super Beats, and that's around $40. So as a Live Good member, you're gonna be saving a lot of money on your health and wellness supplements, right? So a lot of people who are actually looking to be involved with network marketing companies with affordable products that they actually can afford to buy, like Live Good is the place to be, right? So when you add all of those elements up, you got a lot of people who are coming over to Live Good. And another element that a lot of people talk about when it comes to joining Live Good, especially at the beginning stages, but in general, is the fact that yes, it is possible for Live Good members to make money without ever having to recruit people. Now, some people promote this aspect of it and some people don't, but no matter how you look at it, this is a fact, all right? So the more people that join Live Good, right, as time goes on, because this is a still very new company, all right? So when you join, every person that joins got to go under somebody, right? So eventually the people that come in are going to start going under other people and those people and those people. So they're going to start filling up their networks of people, right? So eventually, even if a person doesn't do anything, right, and they just pay their $9.95 a month, eventually, at some point, right, there's a good chance that people are just going to start falling into their system and they can actually max out at $2,000, a little over $2,000, right? That is an actual possibility. It might not happen, right? But if the company keeps growing at the rate that is growing right now, there is a good chance you're gonna get what they call spillover, and you didn't do anything. But keep it real. If you really want to make the big money that a lot of people want to make with this company, you should recruit people, right? You should promote this opportunity if you get involved with it. And it's just as simple as, you know, creating some YouTube videos, creating some shorts, getting some actual flyers, getting flyers made, postcards, using your social media, and just post, just talk about it. That's it. Because if you are a member, worst case scenario, even if you promote Live Good, right, and you just suck at it and you never recruit nobody, you still are putting yourself in a position to earn money as long as the company grows, right? So you really have nothing to lose by promoting Live Good, right? Just everything to gain. Because even if you don't even max out, just say you stayed a member of Live Good for a year, right? And you didn't do anything, or maybe you tried to promote and just didn't do whatever. There's a good chance that you could log into your account and, hey, maybe you're getting an extra $200 a month from spillover because everybody else is joining and grinding and promoting and being successful. You can still benefit. Maybe it's, you know, extra $200, maybe it's extra $400 a month, maybe it's only extra $80 a month. But so what? That's still more than that $10 that you're paying a month just to be a Live Good member. All right. So if you haven't got started with Live Good and you are serious about getting involved with network marketing, this is definitely an opportunity that you want to check out and get started with as soon as you can. Because keeping it real, the earlier you get in, the better chance of spillover you're going to have. So all you need to do is click the first link in the description, take the Live Good tour, and get started. Because when it comes to Live Good, I'm in go mode.